This is Jack. Jack is the R&D manager and works with his R&D team in a plant where his company manufactures and ships MRI systems within the diagnostic imaging industry around the globe. One morning, Jack wakes up and has a great idea. A new innovative MRI that is faster and costs less to manufacture. He starts thinking immediately of the different new product development methodologies he was exposed to throughout his career. First, there's the Waterfall or phase gate methodology. Phase gate because the project is split up in different phases, and before moving to a new phase, a phase gate review is required. It goes through requirements, design, implementation, verification, deployment or system installation, and maintenance. There are also different Agile methodologies, such as Scrum. Scrum splits the development cycle in sprint developments, with each sprint lasting about 2 to 4 weeks. Working this way allows better flexibility to react more effectively to scope changes. Scrum, or a hybrid of Waterfall and Scrum, has been mainly adopted by project teams that manage software development. The Kano model identifies and classifies customer desires. While customers know what they want, they are not always proficient in describing the actual need. To assist in this, Kano isolates 3 levels of customer expectations to find out what it takes to positively impact customer satisfaction. The results of this analysis becomes an excellent input for quality function deployment, or the QFD model, which measures customer satisfaction with the so-called House of Quality. This tool helps also with the input of the Kano model to identify and prioritize customers' expectations quickly and effectively by classifying customer needs, conflicts, technical requirements, target values, competitors, and the relationship matrix. Jack prepares a presentation for his team to review all these models and to get everybody's feedback. He knows this may be challenging since his engineers are on different seniority levels and some don't adapt well to change. The team is currently using the Waterfall methodology, but Jack thinks for the software development portion, Scrum is the best way to go. He also thinks that for the initiation and definition phases at the beginning of the development, a house of quality should be completed and implemented. Jack invites the engineers to the meeting room and starts presenting. After a while, John from purchasing and Debbie and Nancy from marketing join. Soon it becomes apparent that there are different opinions within engineering, but also disagreements between the engineers, purchasing, and marketing. Once the meeting is over, Jack is really frustrated. He decided to look into these models again to see how to communicate this better to his engineers and the other cross-functional teams and to get everybody on the same page. Successful adoption of Agile methodologies, such as Scrum, can be difficult. Overcoming this type of internal tensions, improving cross-functional teamwork, and an engaged workforce need to be achieved before the development stage can begin, especially as most everybody is new to this. One way to achieve this is by integrating the activity theory framework. The concept of activity theory allows for a more flexible approach to understand team members and human practices, as well as the relationship between all above listed actors involved in such a project. Within Scrum, objects may be viewed as the software that's currently being developed. Instruments or artifacts are the tools that mediate the relationship between subject and object, such as the project schedule or the product backlog, which is what we call the requirements or design needs in Waterfall. The development team, as well as all cross-functional team members, are referred to as the subject. Agreements made within Scrum can be viewed as the rules, which are associated with the community, which in large part refers to all departments included in the Scrum development. The organization of resources and the definition of each team member's role, such as product manager, Scrum Master or Product Owner is defined in the division of labor. The complete overall activity is the process of transforming an object into a desirable outcome, which is the launch of this new MRI software that allows for faster scanning speed. Jack feels comfortable that the integration of the activity theory will improve the Scrum implementation by better understanding the needs and wants of all cross-functional team members, as well as the relationship of each actor involved.